You see the problem everywhere. We are drowning in hazardous waste. Medical pathogens, toxic incinerator ash, bulk and hazardous chemicals, mixed toxins, weapon systems, pyrotechnics, even tires and batteries. They all become a problem once we're done with them because we have no place to safely put them. It's a major threat to the populace and to the environment, and we're making it a problem for generations to come. In the U.S. alone, we deal with over 300 million tons of hazardous waste a year. It's a $42 billion problem in every community, in every part of the country and the world. But it doesn't have to be this way. Not anymore. Because now there is a genuine breakthrough in 21st century technology, a milestone innovation called the Plasma Energy Pyrolysis System, or PEPS. It may well be the last word in hazardous waste disposal, because by completely destroying waste, by reducing waste to its fundamental natural components, or converting them into useful, safe products, PEPS sets a new standard in safety and cost-effectiveness. Nothing else can match this state-of-the-art technology. With PEPS, you don't burn waste. That creates other problems. And you don't bury it. That hides the problem, for a while. Instead, you convert hazardous waste into reusable construction materials and reclaimable energy. Best of all, with PEPS, you end the soil, air, and water liability chain. The hazardous waste that now plagues us for years to come, perhaps centuries to come, is no longer there. It has been disassembled into its elemental parts. It has been diffused and declawed. It has been rendered harmless.
We now have a process that will take all of that waste, will eliminate your liability, will eliminate the environmental risk, and will actually produce a product that's usable.
The PEPS system is a commercially viable process building on technology which came out of NASA research. The key to it is a 500 kilowatt plasma arc torch, which essentially creates and sustains a bolt of lightning. The torch operates inside a sealed, airtight container and produces temperatures at up to 21,000 degrees Fahrenheit. There is no oxidation here. There is no burning. Organic materials are quickly broken down into their component elements in the form of hydrogen-rich gases. Inorganics, like metals, are fused into a glassy, rock-like slag. They are not simply encapsulated in the slag. They are bonded there, vitrified in a form that is forever inert and forever safe. Gases are continuously drawn off and quick quenched to prevent formation of dioxins or furans. The gases are then cleaned to remove any remaining particulate matter. They can be used at this point like any other syngas to generate electricity, with every ton of waste netting up to 900 kilowatts of reclaimed energy. Alternatively, gases can be further processed into water vapor and harmless dischargeable carbon dioxide. In any event, there is no visible plume or flame with PEPS, and air emissions have been proven by independent laboratory analysis to be far below allowed EPA limits. Water used to cool the system is likewise conditioned and treated at several stages. Most of the cooling water is recycled, with the balance safe enough for the local sanitary sewers. All of this activity is safely monitored via remote cameras and sensors. Instrumentation monitors and logs all activity within the facility. The fully automated control system ensures efficient and safe operation. The demonstration system built for the Army in Lorton, Virginia can handle up to 10 tons of hazardous waste a day. But plants can also be built to consume as much as 50 tons a day. This is one of the most exciting features of the PEPS technology. A facility can be customized to virtually any hazardous waste disposal situation. Regardless, waste does not have to be sorted or separated. And because it is so compact a technology, PEPS facilities can even be made transportable to be moved wherever they may be needed in an emergency.
It's exciting. It is the kind of process that should be definitive of the 21st century. A win-win we can not only deal with environmental pollution, the hazardous medical, toxic, chemical waste, but we can produce productive byproducts of it.
You can see then why the PEPS technology is clearly the wave of the future. It's the perfect solution for hospitals, industrial plants, municipalities, and waste hauling companies, as well as DOD and DOE sites. In fact, the PEPS technology has already been fully permitted in Alabama, Virginia, California, and Washington State.
It's absolutely unique. There is no incineration, nor are there any releases that are harmful to either people or the environment. With PEPS, your liability ends here. That's because PEPS does not reduce or encapsulate or reform the hazardous waste. With PEPS, hazardous waste is destroyed.
Only Vanguard Research can offer you a full range of design, development, financing, and maintenance services built around the PEPS technology. We can analyze your unique waste destruction needs and then tailor the design of a highly automated, low-labor PEPS facility for you. We can operate it for you, or we can provide a complete turnkey transition. In short, Vanguard Research can help. Vanguard can be your single source for this remarkable new technology, this wave of the future.